Best remote control planes. Are you looking for the best remote control planes? In this video we will look at 5 of the on the market best remote control planes before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Devsolution P-51D Mustang RC Airplane. The P-51D RC airplane is a detailed remote-controlled model of the iconic World War II Mustang warplane, designed for beginner pilots and enthusiasts alike. This ready-to-fly aircraft operates on a 2.4 GHz 4-channel remote control system, which provides a strong, interference-free signal and precise maneuverability. The plane is equipped with the advanced pilot stabilization system that helps maintain flight stability, making it easier for newcomers to learn flying and control. One of its standout features is the one-key aerobatic function, which allows users to perform smooth, exciting flips and rolls at the push of a button. Additionally, it includes a one-key U-turn feature, simplifying sharp turns during flight without complicated controls. This makes the plane both fun and manageable, especially for beginners still mastering flight skills. The P-51D comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing for extended flying time and less downtime for recharging. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures good flight performance and resilience against minor crashes or rough landings. Overall, this RC warplane blends realistic looks with user-friendly technology, making it an excellent choice for those starting in RC flying or fans of classic warplanes. Whether you want to practice steady flying or show off aerobatic stunts, the P-51D Mustang RC airplane offers an engaging and enjoyable flying experience right out of the box. Number 2. Syma Remote Control Helicopter with Camera. The helicopter drone with camera by Syma is a versatile and user-friendly remote-controlled drone designed for adults and kids alike. Equipped with a high-definition 1080p FPV, first-person view, camera, it allows real-time video streaming, giving pilots a thrilling aerial perspective directly on their connected device. This feature makes it perfect for capturing clear photos and videos during flight. The drone offers multiple intelligent flight modes to enhance user experience. Its flight route mode enables users to draw a specific path on their controlling device, and the drone will automatically follow it, simplifying navigation. Altitude hold function ensures stable hovering at a fixed height, providing smooth control even for beginners. The headless mode removes the need to worry about drone orientation, making it easier to control regardless of the drone's facing direction. For added excitement, the drone supports 3D flips, enabling acrobatic maneuvers that add fun and challenge to flying. The package comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling flight time and reducing waiting periods between flights. The helicopter drone is crafted with durability in mind, with a lightweight yet sturdy design to withstand minor bumps and crashes. Its intuitive remote control offers a responsive and reliable connection, operating on a frequency that minimizes interference. Overall, the Syma helicopter drone combines advanced features, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore aerial photography, enjoy interactive flying, or gift a fun and educational tech toy. Number 3. Volantexrc Phoenix SRC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Glider Ranger 1600 PNP version is a high-performance remote-controlled glider designed primarily for adult hobbyists and experienced pilots. With a wingspan of 1,600 mm, this glider offers excellent stability and smooth flight, making it ideal for extended soaring sessions in FPV, first-person view, flying adventures. The PNP, plug-and-play, version means the model comes ready to assemble but does not include essential components like the transmitter, battery, charger, or receiver, allowing pilots to customize their setup according to personal preferences and requirements. Built with lightweight and durable materials, the Ranger 1600 is engineered for optimal aerodynamic performance. Its design ensures excellent lift-to-drag ratio, enabling longer flight times and efficient gliding capabilities. This makes it suitable for pilots who enjoy precision flying and exploring aerial landscapes from a serene vantage point. The model's compatibility with FPV systems offers an immersive flying experience, allowing pilots to navigate through first-person views using their own remote control systems and cameras. This adds a layer of excitement and precision to gliding. Ideal for intermediate to advanced RC pilots, the Volantexrc Ranger 1600 encourages skill development through manual control and offers a versatile platform for customization. Whether used for casual soaring or competitive flying, this glider provides a rewarding experience with its high-quality construction and sleek design. Number 4. E-flite UMX Turbo Timber RC Plane. The E-flite UMX Turbo Timber BNF Basic is a compact yet highly capable remote-controlled airplane designed for pilots seeking a versatile and fun flying experience. With a wingspan of 700 mm, this model offers an excellent balance of agility and stability, making it suitable for both intermediate and experienced RC enthusiasts. The BNF Basic designation means the airplane comes bind-and fly-ready, including everything needed to fly except the transmitter, battery, and charger. This allows users to pair the plane with their preferred Spectrum DSMX-compatible transmitter, giving them full control over the setup and customization. The Turbo Timber model features a durable and lightweight foam construction, which provides resilience against minor crashes while maintaining excellent flight performance. It is designed to handle a variety of flying styles, from smooth cruising and precision maneuvers to more aggressive aerobatics such as loops, rolls, and quick turns. Thanks to its powerful brushless motor and efficient propeller, the UMX Turbo Timber delivers responsive thrust and great speed control, allowing pilots to enjoy dynamic flying in small spaces or at local flying fields. The airplane's high-performance control surfaces respond sharply, giving pilots confidence and precision during flight. Overall, the E-flite UMX Turbo Timber BNF Basic is a fun, reliable, and easy-to-fly RC plane that offers exciting aerobatic capabilities and durability. It's a great choice for pilots who want a compact yet powerful model to enjoy aerobatic flying with the flexibility to use their own transmitter and battery setup. Number 5. E-flite Habu STS SmartJet. The E-flite Habu STS 70mm EDF SmartJet is a ready-to-fly, RTF, remote-controlled airplane designed for intermediate to advanced hobbyists who want a high-performance jet experience. It features a powerful 70mm electric duct fan, EDF, propulsion system, delivering impressive speed and agility, ideal for aerobatic maneuvers and fast, smooth flying. This model comes fully equipped with everything needed to fly right out of the box: a Spectrum transmitter and receiver, a LiPo battery, and a charger. The inclusion of Spectrum's smart technology means the battery and transmitter communicate for safer and smarter power management. The safe technology adds another layer of safety by preventing the motor from spinning unexpectedly, making the plane easier and safer to handle, especially during takeoff and landing. Constructed with lightweight yet durable materials, the Habu STS balances strength and performance, offering a realistic jet appearance with sleek design and scale details. The aerodynamic airframe and efficient EDF setup provide excellent thrust-to-weight ratio and responsive control, making it a favorite for RC pilots who enjoy jet-style flying without the complexity of gas turbines. Assembly is minimal, as the aircraft comes mostly pre-built and factory-tested. The plane includes multiple flight modes to help pilots adjust handling characteristics based on skill level. Overall, the E-flite Habu STS is a premium, all-in-one EDF jet package perfect for hobbyists looking to step up their RC flying with speed, style, and smart safety features.